In this module, we are going to see how to convert units using conversion factors. Let us look into conversion of units of length. I tell you how to convert meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. Let's get started. All we know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. If we have a question, find how many centimeter are there in 7 meter. We can write 7 meter as 7 times 1 meter. In the place of 1 meter, we can write 100 centimeter. So 7 meter equals 7 times 100 centimeter. Hence, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Now we do the reverse. Let us take an example. How many meter are there in 2 centimeter? We know the basic formula. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. From this, we can have 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter. The question is, convert 2 centimeter into meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter. So, 2 centimeter is equal to 2 over 100 meter, which is subsequently equal to 0.02 meter. Hence, 2 centimeter is equal to 0.02 meter. In this way, we do the conversion centimeter to meter and meter to centimeter. Now I show you how to convert meter square to centimeter square and centimeter square to meter square. Before we start, let us have a quick view of how to convert meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. We know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. From this basic relation, we can write 1 over 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. Let us take an example to convert 5 meter square to centimeter square. We know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Since we want meter square and centimeter square, we have to square on both sides. We get 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter whole square. 1 meter square is equal to 100 times 100 centimeter square. We get 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. We have to convert 5 meter square to centimeter square. We can write 5 meter square is equal to 5 times 1 meter square. In the place of 1 meter square, we can write 10,000 centimeter square. We get 5 meter square is equal to 5 times 10,000 centimeter square. Hence, 5 meter square is equal to 50,000 centimeter square. What about the reverse? For example, how many 875 centimeter square in meter square? We know 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. From this, we can write 1 centimeter equals 1 over 100 meter. So, 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 over 10,000 meter square. If 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 10,000 meter square, then 875 centimeter square is equal to 875 times 1 over 10,000 meter square. We can write 875 centimeter square is equal to 0.0875 meter square. Let us see how to convert centimeter to decimeter and decimeter to centimeter. First, we do the conversion of centimeter to decimeter. We know 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. We can write it as 1 decimeter equal to 10 times 1 centimeter. From this we can write 1 centimeter equals 1 over 10 decimeter, which is subsequently equal to 0.1 decimeter. So, to convert centimeter to decimeter, we have to divide the quantity with 10. Let us take an example. 35 centimeter is equal to how many decimeter? 35 centimeter is equal to 35 times 1 centimeter. We write 1 centimeter in terms of decimeter. So we have 35 centimeter is equal to 35 times 0.1 decimeter. We obtain 35 centimeter is equal to 3.5 decimeter. Now we see how to convert decimeter to centimeter. We know the basic relation 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. We have a question in 55 decimeter how many centimeter? We can write 55 decimeter equal to 55 times 1 decimeter. We write 1 decimeter in terms of centimeter. We obtain 55 decimeter is equal to 55 times 10 centimeter. We get 55 decimeter is equal to 550 centimeter. I will let you understand how to convert kilometer into centimeter and centimeter into kilometer. First, we do the conversion of kilometer into centimeter. The basic relation between kilometer and centimeter we see from a small derivation. As we know 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Also we know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. We need relation between kilometer and centimeter. We replace meter in terms of centimeter. So 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter, or we can write 1000 times 1 meter. In place of 1 meter we write 100 centimeter. So 1 kilometer will be 100,000 centimeter. This relation we use to convert from kilometer to centimeter. Let us have an example here. Suppose we need to convert 7 kilometer to centimeter. We can write 7 kilometer as 7 times 1 kilometer. In place of kilometer we write 100,000 centimeter. So we have 7 kilometer is equal to 700,000 centimeter. This is how we convert kilometer to centimeter. We need to multiply kilometer with 100,000 centimeter. We look at the conversion centimeter to kilometer. Now we know 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeter. We need to know how much is 1 centimeter. To find 1 centimeter, we need to divide this expression by 100,000. So we have 1 by 100,000 kilometer is equal to 100,000 divided by 100,000 centimeter. 1 divided by 100,000 kilometer will be equal to 1 centimeter. We can write 1 centimeter equals 1 over 100,000 kilometer. This is the relation we are going to use to convert from centimeter to kilometer. Let us take an example here. Convert 600 centimeter is how many kilometer? We can write 600 centimeter as 600 times 1 centimeter. In the place of 1 centimeter, we can write 1 over 100,000 kilometer. So we have 600 centimeter is equal to 600 times 1 over 100,000 kilometer. 2 0 will get cancelled. Finally we have 600 centimeter is equal to 6 over 1000 kilometer, or we can write 600 centimeter is equal to 0.006 kilometer. Now let us see how to convert meter to feet and feet to meter. First we do meter to feet conversion. For this we need to know the relation between meter and feet, which is 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. Here we have a question. 6 meter is how many feet? Let us find the solution. 6 meter can be written as 6 times 1 meter. We know 1 meter is 3.28 feet. So in the place of 1 meter we can write 3.28 feet. So we have 6 meter is equal to 6 times 3.28 feet. 6 into 3.28 gives 19.68. We obtain 6 meter is equal to 19.68 feet. Let us move on feet to meter conversion. We know 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. If you want to convert from feet to meter, you have to calculate how much meter is equal to 1 feet. If 1 meter equals 3.28 feet, then 1 feet is equal to 1 by 3.28 meter. So 1 feet will be equal to 0.304 meter. Let us find how many meters are in 8 feet. That is how to convert 8 feet into meter scale. We write 8 feet is equal to 8 times of 1 feet. In the place of 1 feet, we can write 0.304 meter. We have 8 feet is equal to 8 times 0.304 meter. Hence, 8 feet is equal to 2.432 meter. Let us have a look on how to convert square feet to square meter. First we do square meter to square feet. The basic relation is 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. To find square meter, we have to do meter times meter. Then right side also we have to multiply feet 2 times. So we get 1 meter times 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet times 3.28 feet. 3.28 times 3.28 gives 10.75. 1 meter square, which will be equal to 10.75 square feet. Now assume we have a question to convert 65 meter square is how much square feet? 65 meter square is equal to 65 times 1 meter square. All we know 1 meter square is equal to 10.75 square feet. So 65 meter square is equal to 65 times 10.75 square feet, which is going to be 699.65 square feet. Hence, 65 square meter is equal to 699.65 square feet. This is how we convert square meter to square feet. Let us see how to convert square feet to square meter. Now we know that 1 meter square is equal to 10.75 square feet. To find square feet to square meter, we must know how much 1 square feet. To do this, we have to divide the expression 2 by 10.75 on both sides. We are getting 1 meter square over 10.75 equal to 10.75 over 10.75 square feet. We obtain 1 over 10.75 meter square is equal to 1 square feet. Let us take an example. Suppose we want to convert 10 square feet into meter square. We can write 10 square feet is equal to 10 times 1 square feet. In the place of 1 square feet, we are going to write 10 times 1 over 10.75 meter square. We obtain 10 square feet is equal to 0.93 meter square. This is our answer. Let us see how to convert inches to feet. What we know is 1 feet is 12 inches. How many feet will be if we convert 36 inches? This is the question for us. We know 1 feet equals 12 inches. If I reverse it, 1 inch should be equal to 1 over 12. That is, 1 inch is 1/12 of feet. So, I should divide 36 by 12. We have 36 inches is equal to 36 over 12 feet. The answer is 3 feet. Hence, 36 inches is equal to 3 feet. I let you understand how to convert capacity units using conversion factors. Let us have look on how to convert capacity units. We figure out 1 centimeter cube equal to how many meter cube. When we say 1 centimeter cube, let us make a cube. So here is the cube. Each side of the cube is 1 centimeter. So volume is 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. We get 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube, how much equal to meter cube? We know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Dividing by 100, we obtain 1/100th of the meter is 1 centimeter. So instead of 1 centimeter, we can write 1 over 100. So volume is equal to 1 over 100 meter times 1 over 100 meter times 1 over 100 meter. This is equal to 1 over 1 million meter cube. Now we can write 1 centimeter cube basically equal to 1 over 1 million meter cube. We can also write 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Let us look into conversion of 1 liter to meter cube. The basic relation between liter and centimeter cube is 1 liter equals 1000 centimeter cube. We can use the term cc, which means centimeter cube. 1 liter equals 1000 cc. Another conversion factor, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Dividing both sides by 100, we obtain 1 over 100 meter is equal to 100 over 100 centimeter. We obtain 1 over 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Here, centimeter cube means centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. We can substitute 1 over 100 meter instead of 1 centimeter. We get 1 liter is equal to 1000 times 1 over 100 meter times 1 over 100 meter times 1 over 100 meter. We can write 1 liter is equal to 1000 into 1 over 1 million meter cube. When we cancel 3 zeros, 1 liter going to be 1 over 1000 meter cube. We can write 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. As the situation demands, we could use these conversion factors. Now I explain you how to convert kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. First, we convert kilogram to gram. We know the basic relation 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. We take example, convert 5 kilogram to gram. We can write 5 kilogram as 5 times 1 kilogram. In the place of kilogram, we can write 1000 gram. So we have 5 kilogram is equal to 5 times 1000 gram, which is subsequently equal to 5000 gram. Hence, 5 kilogram is equal to 5000 gram. Now we convert gram to kilogram. We know 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. So, 1 kilogram over 1000 equals 1 gram. Here we have the question, convert 2500 gram to kilogram. We can write 2500 gram as 2500 times 1 gram. In the place of 1 gram, we can write 1 kilogram over 1000. So we have 2500 gram is equal to 2500 times 1 kilogram over 1000. We have 2500 gram is equal to 25 kilogram. In this way, we can convert gram to kilogram. See another example for kilogram to gram with the decimal number. Convert 3.5 kilogram into gram. We can write 3.5 kilogram as 3.5 times 1 kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we can write 3.5 kilogram is equal to 3.5 times 1000 gram. When we multiply the two numbers on the right hand side, it will be 35,000. We have a decimal point. After one decimal place, we obtain 3500. So 3.5 kilogram is equal to 3500 grams. I will let you understand about the conversion of quintal to kilogram and kilogram to quintal. First, let us look at how to convert quintal to kilogram. We need to know the basic relation between quintal to kilogram, which is 1 quintal is 100 kilogram. If we have a question to convert 6 quintal into how many kilogram, we can write 6 quintal as 6 times 1 quintal. We know 1 quintal is 100 kilogram. So 6 quintal is equal to 600 kilogram. Similarly, we can convert any number of quintal in kilogram. We need to multiply it by 100 kilogram. Now we see how to convert kilogram to quintal. We know 1 quintal is 100 kilogram. To find for 1 kilogram, we can divide both sides by 100. Then we get 1 over 100 quintal is equal to 100 over 100 kilogram. This will be 1 over 100 quintal is equal to 1 kilogram. That is 1 kilogram is the 100th of quintal. This we going to use to convert kilogram into quintal. Suppose we have a question, how many quintal in 6000 kilogram? We can solve it. We write 6000 kilogram as 6000 times 1 kilogram. In the place of 1 kilogram, we can write 1 over 100 quintal. So we can write 6000 kilogram is equal to 6000 times 1 over 100 quintal. Two zeros gets cancelled. We have 6000 kilogram is equal to 60 quintal. Let us see how to convert kilogram to ton and ton to kilogram. The basic relation between ton and kilogram is 1 ton equals 1000 kilogram. From the basic relation, we can write 1 kilogram equals 1 over 1000 ton. That is 1 kilogram is 1000th of ton. Take an example how to convert 400 kilogram to ton. 400 kilogram can be written as 400 times 1 kilogram. We can write 1 over 1000 ton in the place of kilogram. So we get 400 kilogram is equal to 400 times 1 over 1000 ton. Finally, we have 400 kilogram is equal to 4 by 10 tons. We can write 400 kilogram is equal to 0.4 ton. Let us see Now how to convert ton to kilogram? 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Take an example, how many kilogram in 20 ton? We can write 20 ton is equal to 20 times 1 ton. In the place of 1 ton, we can write 1000 kilogram. So we have 20 ton is equal to 20 times 1000 kilogram. Hence 20 ton is equal to 20,000 kilogram. This is how we can convert any number of ton into kilogram. Let us pass on to conversion of units of distance. I explain you how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. We have basic relation here. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. From the first relation, we can write 1 meter is equal to 1 over 1000 kilometer. In the place of meter, we can write 1 over 1000 kilometer. To convert meter to kilometer, we divide the quantity by 1000. Here we know 1 hour is equal to 60 times 60 seconds. So, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 1 second will be 1 hour over 3600. We need these two relations because we want kilometer and we want hour. We have a question. Convert 550 meter per second to kilometer per hour. 550 meter per second. In the place of meter, we can write 1 meter. And in the place of second, we can write 1 second. In the place of meter, we want kilometer. So we can write 1 meter as 1 kilometer over 1000. And here 1 second, we want kilometer per hour. We write in the place of 1 second, 1 hour over 3600. When we simplify this, we have 550 meter per second is equal to 550 times 3600 over 1000 kilometer per hour. 2 zeros get cancelled here and 1 zero get cancelled here. We have 55 times 36 kilometer per hour. 55 times 36 is 1980. Hence, 550 meter per second is equal to 1980 kilometer per hour.